Namaste. Today's video is about Chakrasana. Many of the people find it difficult to learn Chakrasana, especially when we begin practicing Chakrasana. It is difficult to rise up from the lying down position into the wheel position. Now today's video is about learning Chakrasana with the help of a partner. When we practice Chakrasana with the help of a partner, the chances of getting an injury is very less, and at the same time gradually we get the feel of Chakrasana, and when our arms become stronger, when our shoulders become stronger, we will be able to practice Chakrasana on our own. So let me now show you how a person can get into Chakrasana with the help of a partner. So here we are going to do Chakrasana. So the starting position is this. From here one has to lift the body in the air and come into the shape of a wheel, which is called Chakrasana, or it's also called as Urdhva Dhanurasana, upward lifted bow. Now I'm going to use a towel here, a simple towel, which is going to be used as a prop to help the process of lifting into Chakrasana. Now the position is ready. The person gently lifts the hip in the air and I insert the towel below the hip. From this position, generally for a beginner it is difficult to lift into Chakrasana. So as a partner I am pulling the towel and lifting the hip into the wheel posture. So I pull it up and help the person to lift up. When you stay in this position, the back arch builds and you get the feel of that wheel posture. After some time, gradually go down. I help the process of going down by taking the weight on the towel, and slowly that person goes down on the floor. So when the person takes the aid of a partner to come into Chakrasana with the help of this towel, day by day he or she will develop the skills required to come up into Chakrasana on their own. Now this can be extended to the next level of coming to standing position from Chakrasana and dropping back from standing to Chakrasana. So now let us see how that can be done. Now the person is already in Chakrasana. So I use the same towel, hold it tight on the hip, and now I am going to pull the person to standing position. Slowly stand up. Yeah. So now you would have seen how I pulled the person up into standing position. Similarly, the person can be dropped back to Chakrasana from standing. Observe the practice. Gradually go back, take the arm over your head and drop to Chakrasana. So if you observed, I was taking the weight on my towel and prevented a fall back and an injury there. Slowly come up. You can see how I pulled the person using the towel, and slowly exhale and go down using the strength on my towel. By practicing standing Chakrasana and dropping Chakrasana with the aid of a partner and the towel, weeks passing by, months passing by, the person gets the feel and the technique of standing up and dropping back. And with experience, the person will be able to practice this on their own. I hope this technique of learning Chakrasana with the help of a partner and then taking it to the next level of standing up from Chakrasana and dropping back to Chakrasana helps you to learn these practices easily and safely. Namaste.